All right, so you're saying, yeah, Miss Mullins, we colored in the periodic table. How does that help me write electron configurations? I will demonstrate. Let's go ahead and start by finding the electron configuration for phosphorus. It has 15 protons, so for it to have a neutral charge or no charge, it also needs to have 15 electrons. Let's put those 15 electrons in the appropriate orbitals. I'm going to start up here in the corner and kind of count off. We're in the first energy level. I know my first orbital is going to be an s orbital because this is in the s block. I'm going to have one electron if this was a hydrogen. So one electron, two electrons as I count over to helium. And so I will put my little 2 right up here. And I want a very small 2. Okay, that works. So 1s2, and we're over at helium. If I keep building, I'm going to have to flip back and forth a whole bunch here. And I keep going down here. I'm going to start with my lithium configuration. I'm now in the second energy level because I'm in the second period of the periodic table. I am in still the S block, so 2s. And I'm going to have 1 and then count over 2 electrons that can fit in that S block. So I will put another 2 up here. I believe I would add a size 10. Okay. Now I need to keep counting over, and we're going to keep going until we hit phosphorus, until we've assigned our electrons to all of the orbitals that they need to occupy. So now I'm over at boron. I'm in the p block now. So now I'm going to start filling out p orbitals. I'm still in the second energy level because I'm still in the second row. So now I can put electrons into the 2p sublevel. Now, if you remember from yesterday, we had 3 dumbbell-shaped p orbitals in the p sublevel. So let's count off. I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons, 2 per p orbital, all 6 electrons in that p sublevel, 2 per p orbital, because I have 3 of those p orbitals. Whoops, let's write 6 right there. All right, let me make that number real small. So we're through this first row. Let's keep going. As I wrap around again, I'm now in the third energy level, so I need to start writing 3s. I'm back in the S block, so I'm in 3s, and I have 1 electron, 2 electrons. So 3s2. Oop, make my font big again. 3s. There we go. And I need a little text, a little 2. Size that back down to 14. Oop. All right, so I'm over to magnesium. We're almost to phosphorus. So now we need to count over in the P block. I'm in 3P, and I can fill in 1, 2, 3 electrons. So 3P. Oop. Write that a little nicer. Okay, that's better. 3p, and we said 1, 2, 3 electrons. And that would be our electron configuration for phosphorus. As you can see, we are able to use the table to help us know what energy level are we in, because that matches up with the row or the period, and what orbital should I be putting these electrons in? Am I in an S block or a P block? For every electron you need to add, you need to count over 1 time.